Hey guys, welcome to Ambush Journalism with Alondra. Today we're gonna ambush some journalists with some journalism questions with the ambusher herself. Ready? Let's go. You're being ambushed right now. You're being ambushed. What is your favorite song on the new ORU Worship album?
Creating me, definitely.
I'm gonna need you to sing a little.
Creating me, what it is you. I don't know the title, but it's the one by Steven, the Missions one.
Steven.
Yeah, Steven,
Yeah.
you're the man.
Moldame by ORU Worship.
Do you love to sing?
No.
That's good because I'm not gonna have you sing today.
You're so good. So good. I listened to it.
You're so good! Hey! You love it so much that you're gonna sing it for us on camera right now.
Dan can sing it for us.
Let me call John Steven and Dan. John Steven, where are you?
Panera Bread.
Guys, this is Steven question.
Hey, my name's John Steven. It's really close.
Yeah, a lot of people have been really close. Anyways, John Steven, what is your favorite song on the ORU Worship album?
I think Created Me hits home the most, not just because I sang it, but Purify makes me want to sob, so.
Sing!
God Almighty. No, I'll hold and you can dance. Purify my heart.
And that was Ambush Journalism with Alondra.